guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new video. Today I am going to be doing a clean girl aesthetic makeup tutorial. I'm gonna show you how I did this hair, my skincare routine before I start my makeup, and then this really nice clean girl makeup. If you would like to see my version of the clean girl aesthetic, then let's get started. I just got out of the shower and now it is time to do skincare, my favorite part of the day. Don't forget to wear your SPF, ladies, every single day. It is very important. And don't forget the neck. Now that skincare is completely done, I'm gonna be doing my hair. I usually do my makeup before my hair, but for this video, I don't want to be looking crazy the whole time that I am applying my makeup. My hair is looking crazy. It is time for me to wash my hair. I will be doing that tomorrow. But for my clean girl look, I always like to go for a sleek back bun. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. The cons of having curly hair while going to the gym is this. During the week, I just look completely crazy and I have to have my hair back the whole time. I like to part my hair in the middle. And I like to get it as perfect as possible. It's kind of hard looking at the camera and doing a line, but I think this will do. There's nothing special about my sleek back bun. It is very simple and easy, and I honestly just use one product, which is the Eco Styling Gel, the coconut oil one. I don't really have a preference. I really like every single Eco gel, especially the green one. I really like the green one. I am almost done with this coconut one, so I'll probably purchase the green one next. And then I grab my soft brush just to kind of sleek it back. And then I will grab this one right here. I think I got this one in Target or Walmart. I don't remember. Oh no, actually I got it at Ulta. Never mind. It was from Ulta. And then I grab an elastic band. These are from Primark. The best hair elastics. They don't break. They're super stretchy. I find myself repurchasing them every single time. And that's that. And then next, wait, let me fix this. Add a little bit of gel to the outside of the hair just so that it could be slicked. And then I just turn it. And there's that, a nice sleek bun. Now time to put some jewelry. I don't know what it is, but gold jewelry just makes the look. These are from Amazon and these are from Ana Luisa. I love these so much. My rings right here. Look at my nails. They are from a brand called Signet. They're press-on nails, guys. These are so beautiful. I have so many of them now. I cannot wait to wear them all. I wasn't like a press-on nails girl, but I am starting to love it because it's so easy, fast, cheap. Well, I don't know what I'm talking about. I do my nails at home, but yeah, check them out. I will link them in the description. And then I'm gonna be wearing my pendant from jewelry. I absolutely love this one. This one is so cute. All right, so now I'm gonna go change and then we're gonna do this face. I feel like the key to a really nice base is having a good skincare routine, and we already did it. My face feels really nice and moisturized. I think that the clean girl look is all about having a nice base, very minimalistic, and that's really what I go for when I do my makeup. I don't really do much. I don't do my eyeshadow very often. I don't do eyeliner that much. I don't put eyelashes. My makeup routine is very basic, so this is basically my normal everyday makeup routine. Lately I have not been using my regular primer from Milk, the grip primer. I recently received the Old Harrison Banana Bright Sun Kissed face primer. This is supposed to be a self tanner. It has vitamin C and banana powder inspired pigments. This gives you a gradual glow. I've been liking it a lot. It's very lightweight and it adds more moisture to my skin. A little goes a long way. That's how much I use. And you can also wear this alone. It gives you a really nice glow. I don't usually start with my eyebrows, but I will today because I am going to be using the Refi brow defining. I don't know what the name of this is. This is supposed to give you a laminated look. And I don't really do much to my eyebrows, to be honest. I do my own eyebrows at home, but I like to keep them nice and, you know, combed. And then I use the brush side to lay my eyebrows. And then I give it some shape. And then I like to use my fingers to kind of lay them a little bit more and get rid of the excess product. I go in with my ColourPop brow pencil and the shade dark brown, and then I just fill in the empty spots. Not so much. Like I said, I don't really do much with my eyebrows on my everyday makeup routine, but if I'm going to do like a more polished and bold eye look, or if I'm gonna add eyelashes, then I definitely take a little bit more time to do my eyebrows. I like to use a eye drop to make my eyes a little brighter. It is the Lumify eye drops. I got it at Target. Makes you look more awake for the day. Okay, now that we have our eyebrows ready, I move on with my foundation, and I've been loving this duo right here. This is only $5, you guys, from Family Dollar, and let me tell you, this has been my absolute favorite for years. It works for my skin, it stays on, it's amazing. And then I pair it with the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. I feel like this adds just the right amount of glow to my skin since this is very, very matte. I only use one pump of this one. A little goes a long way with this foundation right here. And then I just apply this directly to my skin first. And honestly, on those really hot days, you can wear this alone and it will give you like the perfect light coverage. I might look crazy right now, but trust the process. Then with a damp beauty blender, I blend away. There you go. I don't know if the camera is making me look very orange, but trust me, I do not look orange. So after I apply my foundation, I move on with concealer. And today I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place concealer. This is in the shade number 17. I love this concealer. It's very creamy, super full coverage, and it just gets the job done. So I just apply a little bit in my inner corner and I just let it sit there for a couple of minutes just so that it can adhere to my skin and it can blend out better. And then I just blend it with the same beauty blender. Next, I'm going to be setting my concealer with the Milk Makeup setting powder. I absolutely love this powder, so I'm kind of sad it was discontinued. I don't really know why it was, but I am trying to make it last as long as possible. I don't drag it, I just do light taps so I don't remove the concealer. I have really dark circles, so I try my hardest to hide them. And then I set my foundation with the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder. This is in the shade 220. I just tap it. I do a lot of tapping motions because I do not want to remove what I just applied. This just mattifies my foundation. It makes it last even longer throughout the day. And I actually take this with me so that I can, you know, touch up every now and then, especially during the summer. And now we're going to bronze this face. I like to use the Juvia's Place palette. It has 2 shades and I just like to kind of like tap on both of them. And as you could see, I'm doing like tapping motion. I'm gonna be using my ColourPop blush. This is in the shade Toffee Cake. This is my absolute favorite at the moment. I don't know what I would do without blush in my life. I think blush makes your makeup look so much better. A little goes a long way. I literally just tap it once and then I tap it on my arm. I feel like this camera is making me look very enhanced, but trust me, this does not look that crazy. Look how cute my cup is. My mom made it for me. It has a bunch of little smiley faces. She has an Etsy shop if you guys want to follow her. She creates beautiful personalized items. So that is basically it for my skin. Now I'm going to do my eyelashes. And before I apply my mascara, I like to add some powder to my eyelids because the foundation kind of creases in there. These little brushes are a lifesaver. They are from Real Techniques and I got like a whole set from Marshalls years ago. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Sky High mascara. This is my absolute favorite mascara. I find myself repurchasing it every single time. It just does it for me. Like, it makes my eyelashes very long and very full. Lastly, I go in with my NYX Slide On Glide On lip liner. This is in the shade Beyond Nude. Look at it. That should tell you how much I love this lip liner. And mind you, this is my second one. So this is literally my everyday liner. Honestly, just use this alone if you wanted to, but then I go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Balm. This is in the shade Pillow Talk, and when I tell you guys, everybody needs this in their life. It's just the best thing ever. It is pigmented. It moisturizes your lips for the whole entire day. My lips are always very dry, so I carry this in my purse at all times. I wear it alone without the lip liner, and also with the lip liner. It's just like, look at that, beautiful. This is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had so much fun recording this for you guys. This is my everyday clean girl aesthetic makeup. If you like this kind of content, let me know, because I will definitely record more things like this. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to comment, and also make sure to look at the description box below, where I include all of the items that I showed you. But I am done for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye guys.